everybody, it's Scott with Merriman's Archery Supplies. Today what I want to go over is the SCOTT Pursuit thumb barrel release. So we'll shoot it later, but just real quick, comes in a package, 3 or 4 finger, extensions included, removable wrist strap with rope connection, which you can adjust for length. It has adjustable trigger travel, and then it's a closed hook design, great for hunting. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what all comes with it. So right off the bat, get your 4 finger, which is aluminum. Get your instructions with the SCOTT sticker, your instructions. And then inside the package, so it's a wrist strap. As you can tell, you got the rope. You can adjust the length, adjust it by loosening these 2 Allen head screws, buttonhead screws, and then untie that, and then you can adjust that length strap wise, just like any other strap. You can adjust your barrel angle forward, back, and then you can also adjust the barrel itself, rotate it so it gets a better fit. Here's your travel adjustment. And so it stays open when it's not cocked, but to cock it is right down here. So you cock that, and then trigger feels pretty smooth. So right now it's got the 3 finger extension on it. In order to remove that, you just unscrew it from right here, and then you put the other one on. It's not infinite adjustment as far as the STB one, but you do have quite a bit of adjustment for it. Now to cock it, you got to push that forward, this one right there forward, and then it's cocked, it's locked, and then it's pretty crisp. And then once it's shot, it opens up. It just stays open. So again, you got to press this here towards the trigger, and that's it. Pretty simple, straightforward. Like I said, get the wrist strap on. You can adjust the length so this fits in your hand just perfectly. Nice thing about it is if you don't have a strap or anything to hold your release, then you got a chance of losing it. However, this is there, and when you're not using it, it just dangles down below. And then when you're ready to use it, put it on your string, cock it, and draw back ready to shoot. But we'll try it out in a little bit, and then I'll let you see how it works. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward, pretty easy, perfect for the hunter. It's crisp. It is very crisp. Really crisp. So, alright guys, we're going to try the SCOTT Pursuit. Did some adjustment. As you can tell, I was able to turn this barrel. Like I said, you can twist it. Also, what the barrel attaches to, this shaft here, I was able to lower it down for my hands, and then I moved it further back so it fits better. I adjusted the length. So let's see how this works. Like I said, the jaw is open. Put it in the bow and lock it in. Let's see how this does. Wow, pretty good. Let's do one more. Kind of like that, actually. That is crisp. I like that. I like it.